Okay, so this is how we had the back chained up to lift the box section up while we were redoing the floor. Now that the floor is nice and solid, the tailgate has to come off. It's got some rod on it, and this bumper barely being held on there. We need to find out what the issues are there. And there's some more patch plates right there. Don't know what's wrong under there. It looks like there's a big huge dent. So this is all stuff we're going to look at and address this weekend and see if we can take care of some issues. But first we got to get rid of this cherry pick. Okay, now we can get at this. I see right away. There's a chain holding the bumper to the vehicle. And it looks like a couple of bolts. Not under anything. So we'll cut this one off. Cut this one off and cut that one off. Alright, one take left. I think that does it. Of course. Again. Loosen the handle. That's a good voice for it. think it's supposed to go right that way, but it's off. There's a lot of damage. Okay, we'll put this next to the windshield frame, and we'll tackle that eventually. Not quite sure why it was designed like that or the sides separated, but it came apart at the seam. So that'll have to get pushed back together and welded. The rear of this is going to need some work. We'll make it as strong as we can. The trailer ball is going away. That bumper's probably going away. And we'll start working on it. So to answer some people's questions, this is not going to be factory stock completely when it's done. It's going to have some body modifications to help it for clearances, some skid plates added to it underneath. Of course, I'm trying to get a bench seat to fit in it for the three of us, so I don't have to put a back seat in it. Okay, a little bit of welding and grinding, and that box is sides are solid to the inside of the box. So now we'll take on some of this other stuff. Actually, a lot of this lower stuff, I'm going to wait until spring where I can get it out on the hoist and get it up to my level. Makes it a lot easier to work on when you can do that. But my hoist is outside. So, getting to be January in Michigan, that's not a place where you want to be. There's no lack of work to be done, so I'm continuing on. So I cleaned it out a little bit. I started fixing this top rail, and then I decided the next video I make will probably be getting the engine running on gas. I had it started and running on carb cleaner, but my goal for this winter was to get it so it would drive itself in and out of the garage. And to do that, I had to get the body solid enough on the frame where I wasn't destroying it, moving it. So I've done that. The body's solid on the frame now. It isn't going anywhere. And now it's time to get it so it will run and test out the clutch to see if that works. I know the brake's gone. I know the radiator's gone. I won't be able to run it long, but just pull it in and out of the garage so I can work on other stuff when I need to. I just had to change a wheel bearing outside in the snow. And that'll wrap up this video. And thank you guys so much for watching these videos. And hopefully you'll get to see the next one.